Is your remote control not working? Is it not booting up correctly? It could be a bad battery contact. I'm going to show you how to clean it. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out very much. Do appreciate that, and let's get into the video right now. Okay, thanks for tuning into this one. So I want to talk to you a little bit about electronics. So a lot of times if you have electronics and if you find them either in yard sales or if you go to a thrift store or whatever, and you find a bag of electronics and the guy goes, they don't work, I'm not sure if they work, and you get them home, you put batteries in and they don't work, don't throw them away. A very simple solution. Two different things I recommend before you do anything. If you want to sell them or use them, make sure you disinfect and clean everything. Make sure these were pretty dirty, so I cleaned these up. I got a bag of 3 huge remotes like this for $1. Guy didn't know if they worked. Usually if they say that, they don't. So I give it a shot. So my suggestion is, as I put batteries in and it didn't work. So I'm going to give you a trick and I'm going to give you a little tip. When you get these contacts here, they get a little dirty, okay? And they get, this one here especially, I don't know if you can see it, but it had all kinds of corrosion on it, just a little bit. And it doesn't take much at all for these to not have contact, and all these have to have contact for this to work. You get a little sandpaper, okay, and you get inside the contacts very easily. Just rub it back and forth, just like this. And you clean the contacts, clean all the contacts, okay? This is the most easiest way to do this. Don't complicate it, just clean the contacts all around. And you might have to do it a couple of different times. You might have to even use a little bit of water and baking soda if there's a lot of corrosion, just to get rid of it. And that eats up any acid, battery acid. So just so you know, water and baking soda will eat up the corrosion on acid. But if it's just dirty, just give it a quick clean like this. So this did not work when I got it. Okay, and you get a little air gun, you blow it like that. Okay. Then take some fresh batteries and make sure you go the correct way, because a lot of people put them in the wrong way and it won't work if we put them in the wrong way as well. So you put the batteries in correctly, and again, these did not work when I got them. Okay, so I thought they were just junk, or I could sell them for, you know, for broken parts, whatever. I put it in and then it works just like that. Okay, and I can show you. You can see. Hopefully you can see it. These do work. So all I had to do is clean the contacts, put new batteries in, and that's all you had to do. And this works perfectly. So I just want to give you that quick tip. I want to let you know that if you get anything like that, any kind of electronics at all that has battery contacts, clean them first. Clean the item. You know, put new batteries in. Check it. Because really 90% of the times, it's really just as simple as that. So just clean the contacts. Change the batteries. And that'll do it for you. Alright guys, that's it for me. Just wanted to give you a quick informational update on electronics. So if you come across anything at all and you're not sure, or if your own thing doesn't work at home and you want to figure out why, don't throw it away. Check out the contacts. Make sure these contacts are clean right here. Get some sandpaper. Okay, sandpaper, clean the contact right here. That's all you got to do. A little bit of it. Don't be afraid. Just get in there. Just clean the contacts like that. And that's it. And 90% of the time, honestly, it fixes the problem. Alright guys, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Your Review Channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit, as you all know, and I do appreciate that. So please don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe. Alright, I appreciate you tuning in, and I'll see you at the next review.